There's Bitcoin, there's Litecoin, there's Ethereum. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital asset designed to work as a medium of exchange that uses cryptography to secure its transactions, control the creation of additional units, and verify the transfer of assets. Cryptocurrencies are classified as a subset of digital currencies and are also classified as a subset of alternative currencies and virtual currencies. Bitcoin, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, was created in 2009. Since then, there have been numerous other cryptocurrencies created. These are often referred to as altcoins, a combination of Bitcoin and alternative coin. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning they are not subject to government or financial institution control. The decentralized nature of cryptocurrency means that it can be used anonymously, providing a level of security and privacy that is not typically found with traditional currencies. Cryptocurrencies are often traded on decentralized exchanges and can also be used to purchase goods and services. Bitcoin, for example, can be used to purchase items from a variety of online retailers. Cryptocurrencies have become increasingly popular in recent years, with Bitcoin and Ethereum becoming household names. The increasing popularity of cryptocurrency has led to increased regulation and scrutiny, but the underlying technology remains sound and has the potential to revolutionize the financial system. How does cryptocurrency works? Cryptocurrencies are created through a process called mining. Miners are rewarded with cryptocurrency for verifying and committing transactions to the blockchain, a decentralized public ledger. Bitcoin, for example, is mined by solving complex mathematical algorithms. In this way, cryptocurrency transactions are similar to traditional bank transactions, but the digital ledger is decentralized, meaning it is not subject to government or financial institution control.